Hey guys, this video is how I turn my art from this to this traditionally, and this to this digitally. Darker shadows such as black or dark brown can add a great contrast to your drawing, and if you want to go a step further, add purples and blues to make the piece more interesting. But don't go overboard, overlay browns and skin tones on top to do the true reference. Using negative spaces will help you figure out where the features are on the reference and help you easily sketch from the reference. A common mistake that I still make to this day and I'm actively working on is slowly building value. And when you don't go slowly and gradually, it'll make it very hard to blend. The difference between this drawing and this drawing is the composition. There's a reason why this is appealing. Whereas the older piece lacks these elements that draw attention to the subject. One of the biggest ways to improve is having a clear goal to work towards and following people who inspire you and have art that you really like can really help you have something to work towards. Let's get into the sources I recommend. I recommend the books The Art of Basic Drawing by Walter Foster and The Art of Drawing People, also by Walter Foster. These books I owe a lot to because I think that they helped me develop a passion for drawing people. And it's one of the books that I actually find genuinely helpful. Let's get into the YouTubers. In my opinion, my favorite art YouTubers are Erica Josh. His videos are genuinely so well put together. His tutorials are very thorough. Lean has many quick tips and shortcuts that can save you time when drawing, which can be helpful for a lot of people. And an underrated creator is Shrish Creates. Her style studies are so insightful and she definitely knows what she's talking about. Would definitely recommend. My style study series on this channel is heavily inspired by her. Ethan Becker is great when considering animation and can give you good perspective on what it's like to be employed in the art field. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but I hope it was helpful. And remember, all links are in the description, and make sure you check out some of my other content. Stay safe. Bye.